Hello my friend, this time I'm going to show to IKEA picture frames RIBBA with article number 803, 784 and 23. As my doctor room was decorated together with IKEA designer, she recommended these picture frames as beautiful wall decor. Adapt to her taste and decorate with cute personal pictures. This frame has classic straight lines and it's available in different sizes. Perfect for large picture walls. The plastic protection on the front of the frame is secure to fit in well with the original design. Have a nice watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I will try to answer you.